for stand. Just start from me.
I don't know.
You don't record, Abi? See, I want to burn my certificate. I won't burn my certificate. I don't finish school now. 13 good years. In fact, it don't enter 14. So I swear to God, I have not used, and this is my NYC certificate. You see, now my NYC certificate with this.
An original one. No.
Now my original one with this, limited. Now the school I finished from with this. You see, that's my university. Now this is my primary school, Command Children's School. It's now Lungi Barracks. It was Gardiner School Barracks. Now my file for my, in fact, this is my jam, but it's useless.
Why you want to burn your certificate?
Why I want burn them? See, 13 years and I swear, every job what I don't do, now job where I dey drag with people who no go school. So why you can't get, what's the essence of certificate? What I want burn am now. I go burn everything now. More no say now job, because this country now to get certificate be like waste of time. If you're in a certificate we get for this country, you won't travel out. They go they tell you say, you know if you use the certificate, you go relearn something. So why you having this rubbish? Even to be president now, you feel for a certificate. This is it. Look at where. This is my NYC. See am. Record them. Now my NYC with this. Laminated. This one is my secondary school.
No bond certificate now there.
Okay, this one is primary school. I no been at secondary school. Man, no born waiting. This is my.
I don't know the day where work go come now.
My brother, maybe we know all of us now, eh? Maybe we know say for the country. Now work where illiterate they do, person no go school.
In the Bonamo.
I never start. I don't want to make a fire catch. Don't be this so.
In the Bonamo.
Don't be say cho.
Why they burn your certificate?
There is no essence. Now the certificate with this. You finish school. See, I even advise, show my face, make it. I advise. Now be this, show this again. Now be this. In this country now, you better say you go learn work. Say you learn work. And I'm telling you the truth. Now, waiting for swimming partner say of recent, person why they go beg for work. Now my friend for primary school, we no go university. And this is 13 good years. I finished school 2010. Go serve my nonsense nation. See, I'm my NIC with this. I finish. See the number. I can go and go check it. Laminated. Nonsense. Nigeria. I don't want to curse Nigeria, but Nigeria they curse himself. Maybe we know see all of us with the drag. See now, you don't come about them. Maybe they drag work with illiterate people. I swear. Now it's been 13 good years when me I finished school, no job. Now why they burn this thing? I say for like 1 week now, I don't get insomnia, no feel sleep. Cause they look and now say every job what I don't do. Now job where they don't ask for my certificate. Job where they pay me money, where they feel pay illiterate, where no go school. Now be this. Get handwork. Get handwork. Those are parents will tell us say I'll send you. You go and learn electrician and I send a punishment. No be punishment. Carry your picking, make it learn handwork. At the first. Not burner. Learn now the bottom line is Baba, learn handwork. Learn handwork. Make your picking. If you be parent, this country, because we get president where they say get Chicago case. We all know the truth about that case. He's still the president, and we can't say we get one certificate. I don't burn now. Don't burn, make it burn well. I put more fire. You know, be church.
The thing don't burn to ashes finish.
My brother.
God. See graduates, they burning certificates. Which country?
maybe go give me closure for like 1 week now. I no fit sleep. I can't carry my file. I'll go on sleep. I'll say 13 years. I finished school 2010. I did my NYC 2010, 2011. Till today, I swear I never use a certificate. Get any one job. Maybe they do the illiterate job. Make everybody knows I'm illiterate.
Yeah, we don't want to finish it.
Brother. God damn it. Nonsense.
Hi! Graduate born in certificate. This country. God help us.